Here's the exhaust setup of this Jeep. It's got 4x18" tips. Then after that, pretty much they just cut the resonator off. They bent a little piece of pipe for me. They put the tip in the place of the resonator. And then over here, pretty much what we did, I bought these cherry bombs, and where the stock suitcase muffler goes, it's honestly a direct fit. I think they had to add a little small piece of pipe just on one side. But honestly, if I had to do it all over, the one thing that I'm gonna go in and change, I am going to add an X pipe probably right after both of the mufflers to equalize out the pressure. Because under about medium throttle, it has just a little bit of crackle to it. But then if you give it a little bit more gas, then there's no crackle. I don't know if this is a cold start or not.